So hi guys, this is a shop with me. I had to do a voiceover on this because I don't want to get copyrighted, but I am in Factory Connection and I'm just taking you along with me. I am looking for my Secret Santa's gift, which I didn't get on this day, but I was just out and about looking and shopping. So I'm just showing you guys what they have. This is their home decor area. I love this area of this store. And this is new. They didn't have this always. They haven't always had this. So I'm just looking, see what stuff I may want to come back and get. I really love this sign. They have candles. They have mugs. And then they have these right here, these canisters for your countertop. Which I didn't realize the price is actually on the bottom. So I was looking for the price. So they have these cute canisters and signs. Then those pillows are nice. And then over here is the juniors section. And I was looking at this jacket, but I was like, this is orange. I don't want an orange jacket. So just looking. And of course I have to go to the clearance rack. So I'm just looking on the clearance rack. This is where I get most of my stuff. I get my jeans from this rack. My little cute shirts are from this rack. Now, this is a really cute store. And I come here and Rue 21 and Maurice's and Cato's. That's where I usually shop. So right now I'm just looking for jeans, which I didn't find any on this day. Just looking. I like this Faith Over Fear shirt, but I didn't get it on this day. I might go back and get it. So I'm just looking through here. This is a cute shirt. It says Mama. I really like these shirts. They're very comfortable and stretchy. I have a few shirts from here that are like this already. So I'm just looking. And I'm actually looking for a jacket for winter. So I was just looking at the jackets. I probably will go back and get a jacket, but I was looking at these vests and these jackets. This one is really cute. And then the mustard yellow color that everybody is going crazy over for fall. And I like this jacket right here. This is really cute. And they have really nice affordable prices. A lot of this stuff is really affordable. So this is where I got my scarves from. They have a nice selection of scarves. They just got their shipment in. And there's the sunglasses and the jewelry. They have bracelets. They have earrings, rings. I really like this bracelet set. Everything is so nice in here. They have some boots. They put out their winter boots and fall boots. And then they're having a sale right now on their sandals, of course, because it's getting cooler here. So then there's the tennis shoes. I like these high top tennis shoes too. And these boots right here, I was eyeing those. It's like, I don't need another pair of boots, but I was looking at these. Some more boots, ankle boots. I want a bowl.
A bowl? Okay. And do you want the bag out on the side?
Sure.
Anything else?
Can I do pick two with that or no?
You said, what, 2 of the bowls of broccoli cheddar?
No, can I do pick two, like the sandwich and the soup?
Oh, yeah. You want to do a pick 2 with the bowl of broccoli cheddar and what sandwich?
The turkey, avocado, bacon.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay, it'll be $12.98.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My lunch. I got broccoli cheese soup with a baguette and a turkey. My hands need some lotion. Turkey avocado. Let's see, what is this? Roasted turkey and avocado BLT. So this is my lunch. I'm on a broccoli kick right now.